Good morning, children. Welcome back to the science class. Today, you are going to study about an important natural problem. What are some problems in nature? The environmental problem like global warming, acid rain, air pollution, water pollution, and soil erosion, etc. Have you seen the soil moving from one place to another? Yes, when there is storm, we see the topsoil blowing away from one place to another. Same thing happens. When there is flood, the water takes the topsoil from one place to another. So, the soil moving away from one place to another is called soil erosion. What are the agents of soil erosion? Wind and water. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion is the displacement of the upper layer of soil. Yes, today you are going to learn about the soil erosion. Let us have a small recap. First one, which soil has highest absorption rate? Loamy soil. When does soil become waterlogged? In areas where there is a lot of clay in the soil, water stays or stagnates above the soil. When there is heavy rainfall, the soil is then said to be waterlogged. What is leaching? In areas where the soil particles are large, as in sandy soil, the water percolates through, washing away all the nutrients with it. This is called leaching. Let us enter into today's topic. Soil erosion. Soil erosion is the removal of topsoil by wind and water. Factors of soil erosion. Factors that cause erosion can be natural or human induced. We cannot control the natural factors. But how does human activities lead to soil erosion? Soil erosion occurs naturally by wind or harsh climatic conditions, but human activities include overgrazing, overcropping, and deforestation lead to soil erosion. Let us study about the factors of soil erosion one by one. First one, floods and heavy rains. The definition of flood is an overflow of a large amount of water beyond its normal limits. Floods and heavy rains loosen the soil particles of weak. Floods and heavy rains lead to soil erosion. Second one, drought. Drought results in the depletion of vegetation. The depletion of vegetation means reduction in the number of plants in particular area, making it easier for rains and winds to carry away fine soil particles, causing erosion. This is the picture of drought. Third one is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting of trees. Why do we cut down trees? People cut down trees for lots of reasons. This is because people need to build houses and other buildings. We know that roots of plants hold the soil together. Due to deforestation, the soil gets loosened as there are no roots to hold it together. The soil loses its moisture, is left exposed, and gets eroded by wind and water. Intensive farming and incorrect irrigation methods. First picture shows the intensive farming. Second one shows the incorrect irrigation method. In these methods, the farmers make more profit by maximizing yields on a small piece of land. These methods damage the land and may lead to erosion. Intensive farming and incorrect irrigation methods damage the land and may lead to soil erosion. Overgrazing by animals, development of housing, construction of roads, and the occurrence of forest fires are other factors that lead to soil erosion. Now, you are going to study about how the topsoil can be preserved. That is called conservation. Soil conservation. Soil conservation is the protection of soil against erosion and the conservation of soil fertility. Soil conservation can be done in the following ways. First one, afforestation or planting of trees. Planting of trees can prevent soil erosion. Trees serve as windbreakers and as soil cover. They slow down the erosion of soil. Farmers should plant trees between their fields and on uncultivated land. Second one, terrace farming. Terrace farming is done by building steps or flat rows called terraces on hillsides to prevent the topsoil from being washed away. Preventing overgrazing by animals can help prevent erosion. Building check dams to control floods also helps in conserving soil. The fertility of the soil can be preserved by rotation of crops and by adding manure to it. Let us revise the topic. List the causes of soil erosion. Floods, drought, deforestation, intensive farming and incorrect irrigation methods, overgrazing by animals, development of housing, construction of roads and the occurrence of forest fires. How can soil be conserved? Afforestation or planting of trees, terrace farming, preventing overgrazing by animals, building check dams and the rotation of crops. All must read the book page number 101. Do the assignment. Thank you.